Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are from in the whole wide world. This is man Pixie with another Fimi Palm video, and today we have come to Stanage Edge in the Peak District. And yes, it is a bit of a walk to get to the top. We're right at the bottom at the moment. So I've got Callum with me again. Say hello, Callum.
Hello, ladies man.
Ladies man again, there you go. There's ladies man. No, it's tracking my face, so I can't. Can't show you ladies man unless it stands behind me. There he is.
Ladies man.
The ladies man. Yeah, so we'll go up here in the Peak District. It's a little bit windy, so I do apologise about that, but not I can do about that. I'll see you in a bit. For a bit shortly, won't it? Alright, we made it, top of Stanage Edge. Oh, cream crackers.
Made it, we completed it.
We have completed it, that's Callum in the background. So we're just walking along edge, trying to get some stunning views for you all. I'll put all the photographs, what I've taken today, what I think are the best ones, as normal, after the video. What's up my mate? Hang on, let me spin you around. There's our Callum, look. Thinks it's Leonardo DiCaprio on top of Titanic. No, I'm spinning him round. No, not having none of that following business. He did all this lot on the last video. Then when I tried to do it on this video, he says, no, don't do it. So, no, he's not getting a free plug this time. No, not the blah, 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 blah. No, none of that. He's a lad, isn't he? Right, see you in a minute.
Can I get on these?
Callum, the next Bear Grylls.
Hello.
Right then, that's about it. Sorry if it's a bit windy. Hey ho, I'll try and shout above it. Not many people up here. Me and Callum and another family, but they've gone now.
Just families and couples that are coming up here.
Yeah, there's a lot busier when it's a nice hot sunny day. People come on the mountain bikes and that. I've seen like tyre tracks on rocks and that, so yeah, it's beautiful up here. But if you ever want to come into the Peak District, come and visit Stanage Edge, because you'll see some fantastic views. What are you going to say?
Also, if you're a family or a couple that's watching this, then this might be a good place to visit for you.
Which I've just said.
Basically, that's what I was going to say.
Big jump. Oh, heck. The cannon's falling. Yeah, we're just walking over to this pillar. I think it means that you've walked a long way and that's the end. You've reached Stanley's Edge. Even though this is Stanley's Edge, but you know what I mean. Big puddle. Trying to walk and not get wet and trip up and break my leg. So helicopters have to come out for me. That'd not be good. Anyway, that's ended the video bit, so I'll let you have a look at photographs now, what I think are alright. Tell me in the comments if you've got this far, what you thought of the photographs. Alright then guys, thanks for watching, sorry about the wind, and I'll see you next time.
And follow me on Instagram.
No, don't follow him, bye!